Today, we have an exciting unboxing for all you gaming enthusiasts out there. We'll be taking a closer look at the Esports GM200W Optical wired gaming mouse. So let's dive in and see what it has to offer. Now, one of the standout features of this mouse is its excellent ergonomic contour and skin-friendly design. The shape of this mouse is built to keep your hand comfortable and away from fatigue during long gaming sessions. One thing to note, though, is that there's no software support for adjusting sensitivity settings. This means that the sensitivity mode resets every time you turn off your PC. While this might not be an issue for everyone, it's something to be aware of if you like to fine-tune your mouse settings. Now, let's talk about the RGB lighting on the GM200W. It's an eye-catching feature, but there's a twist. The RGB lights are there, and they cycle through different colors in a sequence every 5 seconds. Unfortunately, you can't set them to a single color of your choice. While this might be disappointing for some, others may enjoy the dynamic lighting effects. In conclusion, the Esports GM200W Optical wired gaming mouse is a solid choice for gamers on a budget. Build make it a comfortable option for long gaming sessions. However, the lack of software support for sensitivity adjustments and the dynamic RGB lighting might not be to everyone's taste.